Hey guys, Snow here, and today, I rode the Memphis trolley today for the first time. It was awesome. I went to the Memphis Pyramid, the Bass Pro Shops. We went upstairs. We went up to the top of the, we went to the top of the pyramid. They had a restaurant and bar, but we didn't get anything. But we overlooked the city of we got a very nice views of the city of Memphis, Tennessee, and it was awesome. And then we rode the trolley on Main Street, and then we went to Costco, bought some stuff like bought 2 pumpkins. I got some chocolate croissants, stuff like that, and my mom got some bananas like that. And I was gonna get a pretzel from the food court, but they didn't have any. And so we went to dinner at Applebee's, and then we drove all the way home from Memphis to Oxford. Yes, but then that's not what this video is about. This video is about what I just got today. Do you notice that that this bag is gray? Well, the reason why is that because it's reusable. I did not get this from Memphis today. I got from eBay. It shipped all the way from Indiana. Probably flew on a FedEx plane. And let's take her out. So so in the package, I wasn't sure what this was, but my mom opened it up and she's like, "What's this?" And I was like, "Oh, that's my Hoover wind tunnel self-propelled reusable bag." Yeah, it looks like a sticker was on this thing. Oh yeah, you see right there. A sticker was on that. Okay, but now we're gonna show you how to empty it. So first off, we're gonna take off this. It's very similar to a Sanitaire shakeout bag on my Sanitaire SC684 and my Sanitaire SC888. It's the same principle. All you do is just take this little black clip out. We don't need that for now. And all you do is just flip this over, empty all the shred. I was sucking up some shredded paper with this thing. It works great. We empty it out. Oh, yeah, now it's best not to reach up inside the bag because there's, dust mites, pollen, ragweed, and dust is nasty and you probably don't want to touch it. Yeah, but this is I got this brand new. Yeah, and I dirtied it up with some striped paper, but I am going to use this often in this baby because I love this Hoover right here. Alright, so now we have it empty. So we're going to put the clip back on here.
Hey,
and,
Noah?
yes?
You on the phone?
No, I'm doing a video.
Okay. Did you vacuum up some dirt that I spilled by the dining room window?
I probably did with the V11 earlier.
Okay, I just spilled some more. So tomorrow, could you vacuum it?
Yes, I'll be glad to.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome. Sorry, that was my mom asking me to vacuum something tomorrow. Yeah. Oh, I got shredded paper all over here. Okay, so now this right here is the cap that you can close to prevent allergens from escaping back into the air. That's very handy. So you can take this outside to a trash can, to like your house trash can outside. You know, the ones that you set on the curb and the garbage truck picks them up. You can take them out there, or you can just take them out to the woods in the middle of nowhere and just dump it. Yeah, but so let's show you how to put it back on. So you unfold the cap. You must unfold the cap because it has to go around the inlet right here. Because if the cap is not on, it will not fit back. You will notice that it will not fit back in. So let's bring it a little closer. Oh, the tool cover almost fell down. Need to replace the tool cover soon because it may break soon. All right, so open this up, and we're gonna gently, and just kind of, it'll go right back on there like that. Keep you keep this inside here. Make sure it's all level. and we're going to close it up with the bag door. Oh wait, it's upside down. Sorry guys. And that's it. So thank you all for watching this video. If you want to see me do this in my other wind tunnel anniversary series, Supreme, the non-self-propel one that I have, please let me know. And I'm planning to get one for a Type A for my Hoover. Oh, sorry guys, camera fell. And I'm planning to get a Type A one for my Hoover Elite, bagged upright, energy efficient, and for my Concept 2 electronic and my Decade 800 over there. They all use the Type A. This one uses the Type Y. This one uses the Type Y. So, but thank you all. I cannot wait to use this bag. I've been wanting it for a long time. Ever since I moved here, I discovered that. So please comment, subscribe for more.